Okay, the next piece is the shaving scuttle. So this is probably a little bit heavier than it needs to be, but I'm happy with the glaze. I had a little boo-boo with the wax there, but that's okay. So this is creamy white on the inside and the rim, and licorice on the outside, and then splashed across the inside. And then it's glazed inside there with the creamy white. And the concept is that you put hot water in there, and then it keeps your shaving lather nice and hot while you're shaving, so that you get a good hot shave. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. The black could have come out a little thicker, but that's okay. It's still pretty cool looking. There's some of the thicker black, and a nice run from the creamy white.